Hello friends, welcome to this channel. So in previous session, we saw the difference between fetch and pull, right? Now in this video, we will see the very important topic which is cherry pick. So let's try to understand first what is cherry picking. So picking in Git means to choose a commit from one branch and apply it to another, right? So and this is contrast with other ways such as merge and rebase, which normally applies many commits into other branch. So when you use git merge and rebase, then you're basically going to apply many commits from one branch to another branch. But when we apply cherry pick, then we are going to pick a specific commit from one branch and that we are going to apply into the another branch. Now make sure you are on the branch you want to apply the commit and then use below command which is git cherry pick and then the commit id. Yes. Now let's see this thing practically. So here in my GitLab account, you can see we have three branches: main, master, which is default one, and we have develop branch. So now what I will do is I will make some commit in my master branch. So let's go to our terminal or gateways. Here, as you can see, I am on my develop branch. And if I say git status here, as you can see, this is completely sync ops with remote repository, right? So now for commit, I will do some changes. So let me create new file here. So I will say touch develop.txt. So it will create a text file which is develop.txt in my local repository, right? Now if I say git status, you can see this is a new untracked file. Now I will say git add and then dot. So it will add untracked files to staging area. Now I will commit this file. So I will say git commit -m and then commit message. So here I will say added develop.txt and then file. So now we are done with commit. Now before pushing this file, let me create one more file here so that at least we have two commits. So I'm going to create here develop2.txt. Now we have to add this file, and now again we need to provide commit message. So here I'll simply add to here. Now what we have to do is we have to push these changes to our remote repository, right? So here I'll simply say git and then push origin and then branch name which is develop, and it will add all the changes from our local repository to remote repository, right? So let's see. So here if I go to my develop branch, now here you can see in our project we have successfully added these two files. And if I go to my master branch, you can see there is no changes here yet. Now in my terminal, here if I say git and then log, then this will list out all the commit happened till now. So as you can see, these are two commits that we done right now. And now let's say I want to apply only this commit where we have added our develop.txt file. So in our first commit we have done develop.txt and the second one we have done develop2.txt. But now I want to only merge this commit. So I will copy this commit first, right? And for exit, just say Q. Now we have to check out master branch. So I will say git checkout and then master branch. So now we are on our master branch. Now here, if we want to merge all the changes from develop branch to master branch, then we will say git merge and then from whatever branch we want to merge, right? But what if we don't want to merge all the changes to master branch? We only want to apply specific commit to master. Then we have to say git cherry and the hyphen pick and the commit id that we have copied. So this will apply cherry pick, right? Now these changes we have to push in our master branch. So here I will say git push origin and simply master. Okay. Now here you can see we have successfully added develop.txt file in our master branch. So in short, if you don't want to merge all changes to any branch, then cherry pick is very good option to apply specific commit to targeted branch. So I hope you all guys are now clear with this and hope you all enjoying this series. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.